Aspirin, a secret weapon for your garden. We reach for aspirin to relieve headaches or soothe aches, but did you know this common medicine cabinet staple can also work wonders for your plants? It's true. Aspirin, containing acetyl salicylic acid, can provide a much-needed boost to your garden. While not a miracle cure, aspirin can stimulate growth, enhance flowering, and even protect against diseases. Think of it as a secret weapon for healthier, more vibrant plants. But how does it work? Aspirin, when absorbed by plants, triggers their natural defense mechanisms, making them more resilient and better equipped to handle stress. It's like giving your plants a little extra armor to face the challenges of the garden. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, read on to discover how this everyday item can unlock the full potential of your plants. Let's delve into the surprising world of aspirin and its remarkable benefits for your leafy companions. Aspirin acts as a natural immune booster for plants. It triggers the production of salicylic acid, a compound that plays a vital role in a plant's defense system. This increased production helps plants fight off fungal diseases, bacterial infections, and even deter certain pests. But the benefits don't stop there. Aspirin can also promote faster and stronger growth in plants. Studies have shown that aspirin-treated plants often exhibit increased seed germination rates, larger leaf size, and more vigorous root development. This increased growth is linked to aspirin's ability to regulate a plant's ethylene production. Ethylene is a hormone that influences various stages of plant development, including ripening and aging. By modulating ethylene levels, aspirin can help plants grow more efficiently and stay healthier for longer. The use of aspirin in your garden can lead to more robust and productive plants. It's a simple and effective way to give your plants a competitive edge and ensure they thrive. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about how to use aspirin in your garden. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, choose uncoated aspirin. Opt for uncoated aspirin tablets, as they dissolve easily in water. Next, crush the aspirin. Crush 1 or 2 aspirin tablets into a fine powder. Then mix with water. Dissolve the aspirin powder in a gallon, around 4 litres of water. Finally, water your plants. Water your plants with the aspirin solution as you usually would, ensuring even coverage. That's it. It's that simple. You can repeat this process every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season for optimal results. Important tip: always remember to use aspirin sparingly. While beneficial in small amounts, excessive use can harm your plants. Aspirin can be particularly helpful in addressing specific plant problems. Here are some common issues aspirin can help combat. Fungal diseases. Aspirin's antifungal properties make it effective against common fungal diseases like powdery mildew, leaf spot, and blight. Bacterial infections. Aspirin can help control bacterial growth and prevent the spread of bacterial infections in plants. Transplant shock. Watering newly transplanted seedlings with an aspirin solution can reduce transplant shock and encourage root establishment. Wilting. Aspirin can help revive wilting plants by boosting their water uptake and overall resilience. Remember, aspirin isn't a substitute for proper plant care. It's essential to maintain good watering practices, provide adequate sunlight, and address any underlying issues to keep your plants healthy. Section 5. aspirin, and cuttings. Encouraging root development. Aspirin can be a valuable tool for propagating plants from cuttings. Dipping the cut ends of stems in a diluted aspirin solution before planting can stimulate root development. The salicylic acid in aspirin helps promote cell division and root growth, leading to faster and more successful rooting of cuttings. This method can be particularly useful for propagating plants that are typically difficult to root. However, it's crucial to use a very dilute aspirin solution for cuttings to avoid any potential damage to the delicate plant tissue. Section 6. A word of caution: using aspirin responsibly. While aspirin can be incredibly beneficial for plants, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Here are some essential things to remember. Less is more. Always start with a low concentration of aspirin solution and gradually increase the amount if needed. Avoid overuse. Do not apply aspirin more frequently than recommended, as it can lead to plant damage. Observe your plants. Pay close attention to your plant's response to aspirin treatment. If you notice any adverse effects, discontinue use immediately. Remember, aspirin is not a magic bullet. It's most effective when used in conjunction with good gardening practices. Section 7. Aspirin. Alternatives for plant care. While aspirin can be a handy tool for plant care, there are other natural alternatives you can try. Here are a few options. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a natural fungicide that can help prevent and treat fungal diseases in plants. Garlic spray. Garlic contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that can protect plants from diseases. Neem oil. Neem oil is a natural insecticide and fungicide that can control a wide range of pests and diseases. These natural alternatives offer a gentle and effective way to keep your plants healthy and thriving. Section 8. Experiment and observe. Finding the right aspirin solution for your plants. Every garden is unique, and so are the needs of your plants. When it comes to using aspirin, it's essential to experiment and observe what works best for your garden. Start with a low concentration of aspirin solution and monitor your plants closely. If you see positive results, you can continue with the same concentration. However, if you notice any adverse effects, dilute the solution further or discontinue use. Keep in mind that different plant species may respond differently to aspirin treatment. Some plants may benefit from more frequent applications, while others may require less. By carefully observing your plant's response and adjusting your approach accordingly, you can maximize the benefits of aspirin while ensuring the well-being of your garden. Section 9. Happy gardening. Reaping the rewards of aspirin. Incorporating aspirin into your gardening routine can be a game changer for your plants. This simple household item can help boost their immunity, promote growth, and protect them from diseases. By following the guidelines outlined in this essay, you can harness the power of aspirin to unlock the full potential of your garden. Remember to use it responsibly, observe your plants closely, and enjoy the rewards of healthier, more vibrant plants. Happy gardening. Happy.